Welcome to ZPHS School ROMPIVALASA. Today topic is keywords and gist of rain on the roof. Keywords: dark, చీకటి, humid, తేమతో కూడిన, hover, వేలాడుట, gentle, soft, rain, వర్షం, overhead, పైన, patter, sound of the rain, melancholy, sad, bliss, extreme happiness, chamber, room, pressing, ఆనించి, listen, వినుట, tinkling, sound of the rain, shingles, rectangular wooden tiles used on roofs, dreamy fancies, కలలో వచ్చిన ఊహలు, recollections, పాత జ్ఞాపకాలు, air threads, గాలి వంటి దారపు ప్రోగులు, woven, అల్లుట, woof, weft, years agone, the past years, mother, అమ్మ, darling dreamers, the poet and his siblings, dawn, సూర్యోదయం, refrain, music, fond, ఇష్టం. Now gist: that when the dark humid clouds hovering over the stars starts giving gentle rain falling overhead on the roof, the patter of the soft rain makes the poet recover from melancholy thoughts and gives a bliss to the poet who is lying on the cottage chamber bed and pressing his head against the pillow and listening to the patter of the soft rain. The tinkling on the shingles evokes 1,000 dreamy fancies and recollections in his heart. They act like 8 threads and begin to be woven into a woof to give a single clear mental picture. That is the years agone picture of his mother in childhood days looking fondly at her darling dreamers, the poet and his siblings while they are sleeping and enjoying pleasant dreams as dreamers. She knows that she will not see them again till the dawn. Here, while listening to the refrain such as tinkling and pattering of the rain, he feels the fond presence of his mother. This is the bliss for him. The poet of the poem is Coates Kinney. Thank you.